So this is the 2001 Lund wc-14. We're getting ready to make it a nice little bass fishing rig. Storage. Rod locker connects to the deck. Let's get her done. Once you lay out the wood on the deck for the actual framing, you just want to make sure you have enough room for the carpet. So you just basically fold it up, pretend that it's laid out on both doors, and there's your gap. So we're getting the floor laid all out. We finally got this part done. Doors are all complete. Kind of tools thrown around everywhere, but we're about to cut this section out. And we're going to put foam underneath the flooring just to dampen the noise and make it all quiet. It's coming along good. So we've been laying out all of the deck with cardboard. Keep the cutout afterwards in case you need to redo the piece. The wood deck is all sealed. There's a ton of pieces. The boat's painted. Nothing's glued in yet. Still gotta put foam inside of here. This is the whole entire rod locker section. Alright, so the foam's in now. It's time to glue the foam down to the floor. This is now screwed down. There's carpet now inside, but the floor is also level. The handles and the hinges on. Ended up spray painting the hinges and the screws just to make it look a little cleaner with the gray carpet. Rod locker, give it a turn. You have access. That way, in case I have to run into the store real quick, at this point we'll have to make a top deck right here. Mount the trolling motor on. So we are at the point of wiring the boat. Switches, rocker panels installed. It's got the cigarette lighter port and then the 2 USBs. That's going to be useful for the GoPro charging. That's the front light. It goes all the way through the deck in there. It's all hidden. And then there'll also be a bilge back here too. Here I got to add a couple little ring terminals. The lights are all situated. So the power's on now. And these switches turn on. Boom, boom. That's lighting up, so 2 USBs. And when I flick this one on, the front light should turn on. It's kind of bright out, but you can see there she is. This will get me going. 4-stroke. Pop the hood. Pretty clean. We're at Saguaro Lake testing out the boat for the first time. Just getting out of the wake zone. Let's crank her up. This was taken off, as you saw in the video, just because it wasn't bolted down. Same with that door. Honestly, it's still not even finished, but got the bilge put in. I'm letting it air out. I just came back from the lake. You guys saw the last video of the Apache Lake bass stocking. And we're just letting the nice winds dry it all out. It's been raining here and there. So underneath here, made a nice little kind of stowaway for the foot pedal. Keeps the dust out. There's just a little bungee cord holding it in place for sure, but it won't come out. And then of course a little mailbox. I always put my smaller crankbaits and soft baits in there. Nice little handy cutout. Just waiting for the sun to come up. It's freaking freezing out here. Chunky fish. Thanks for watching the boat build. Hopefully we'll catch you on the next one.